everyone! As all of you know, we just moved into a new house and today I'm going to share some of our decoration tips with you. First of all, take a look at our kitchen. We equipped our sink with this kind of waterproof bar so the water doesn't splash when we are washing up. In the bedroom, we installed some soft lights so that when we get up at night to go to toilet or to have a drink of water, it can sense our movements and automatically turn on the soft light.
As for me, I think commercial air conditioning best.
As a designer, I prefer minimalism and naturalness for home decoration. Compared with the hanging air conditioner, it has no trouble of exposed wiring and it is very thin. I don't have to worry about the ceiling of the bedroom.
Yes, in addition to the beautiful appearance, its sleep mode helped me solve my sleep problem. So if you are like me and sleeping environment is very important for you, you must get this air conditioner. Okay, that's all we are sharing tonight. So if you have some decoration tips and want to share them with us, please leave a comment.
Bye!